So what is going on? A little progress video of the fastback. Got the motor in, radiators in, all the electrical is done, all the wiring is done, every light works on this car. It's crazy. So I was kind of skeptical on the old wiring, but I went through it and everything is good. I reupholstered the seats myself. They turned out really good. Let's see if I can get in here. So basically now is the transmission, which is right there. And I got the rebuild kit there, all new lines. My drive shaft is built and just need brakes on the front, the calipers, the rotors, and I'm gonna put the power booster in there and she's ready, man. It's not too far off. Just a little progress video, guys. And I gotta get some wheels too. There's my other car. Well, y'all be safe. Peace out. Thanks.